Hello, in this video I will show you how to solve the problem of not moving forward with the migration of your WordPress website. First we will have to install a previous version to work, as this problem may be because of the new one. It happened to me that did not let me with the latest version, and with a previous version it worked. Well, that said, the first thing we are going to do is enter our WordPress admin panel. There we go to plugins and look for the all-in-one WP migration, and we put disactivate and then delete to delete it. We get a sign saying if we are sure we want to delete it, and we put OK. When it is already deleting in plugins, we will get a message that it has already been deleted. The second thing we are going to do is to download the plugin manually. This problem may occur because the version you have installed does not work properly, so installing another one may solve that problem. Then we go to Google and search for all-in-one WP migration GitHub. I'll leave the link in the description. Choose the option that says with import. Once there, we click where it says code, and we will get several options, and select the one that says download zip. It will download a zip file. Once we have it installed, go to the dashboard of our WordPress, go to plugins, add new. Then click where it says upload plugin, select the file, and click install now. We wait for it to install, and then we put activate plugin. And they're already installed. We verify that we have it in plugins. Now we go to all-in-one WP migration and test if it works. In case it throws another error, see another video that I may upload to see what to do. That would be all.